The safety of the buses for our students is number one priority. It's up there along with the safety of students while they're in the buildings. But we want to make sure that our students arrive at the school safely and also go home at the end of the day safely as well.
We have 163 bus drivers. The drivers have a huge concern over the cars running the stop paddles. The safety is top priority. They're worried somebody may get hit.
My name is Violeta Cialer. I've been driving a school bus for 12 years. Well, I'm very sorry to tell you, but then on all these years, I've seen many drivers run my stop sign several times. The school bus stop running is a big problem here in Issaquah.
As a parent, I am concerned about children getting hit while they're entering or exiting a school bus.
Drivers have been asking for the stop paddle cameras for quite a few years now, and they're very excited that it's happening.
This program was huge. I got a hold of Veer Mobility, which was amazingly a great partner to team up with. We got this implemented, and now we're looking forward to the tools that it's going to enable us to make sure our kids are safe.
The second a stop arm is out and somebody goes by it, the camera is automatically taking that video and those pictures for us that we're reviewing. So it takes the police car completely out of the equation, and it allows people to drive like they normally would. And if they're going to be irresponsible and not paying attention and in a hurry, then they're going to get a citation in the mail from us.
A year from now, I hope that the drivers and the parents come back and say at a community meeting what a great idea this was. And it also brought education to the parents and the drivers on how important it is to make sure that they give that extra second for the students to be safe in the mornings and afternoons.
Pay attention, put down your cell phone and everything else, and when you see the yellow lights start to flash on the bus, that means slow down. And when you see the red light go and flash and the stop sign out, that means stop. And they're not just doing that because they want to slow you down on your way to work. They're doing that because they want to keep the kids, our kids, all the kids safe to get them to school, get them safely on the bus.
If I had one message for drivers here in Issaquah, I would ask them to please slow down. They're not just our kids, they're your kids too.